In front of me is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS launcher on this device. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS launcher and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in the pop-ups. Then close your app and access devices settings. In them, you need to choose Apps section, click on Default Apps, and access Home app. Last but not least, just click on iOS launcher and select Got it in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and tapping on Quick Step or iOS launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!